Hello everyone, welcome to the Teaching Canvas. If you are a B.Ed student, D.El.Ed student or a school teacher, today's video is extremely important for you. In this video, I'll explain a simple step-by-step guide that you can follow during your demo lesson or real classroom teaching. So, watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more teaching guidance. Let's begin with step number 1, which says plan clearly. Effective teaching starts with clear planning. Before entering the classroom, ask yourself, what is the topic? What are the objectives? What should students learn by the end of the class? For this, write clear general objectives, which says outline the broad goals for learning. Specific objectives list the precise measurable outcomes for students. Now here, if you want a separate video to understand the difference between general objectives and specific objectives and how to list down the objectives for the same, please do write in the comment box. I'll prepare a separate video for the same. Then comes your teaching aids. Here, identify the materials and tools you'll use to support the lesson. Then activities. Plan engaging tasks and exercises. Then move on to assessment questions. Prepare questions to evaluate students' understanding. Remember, when your planning is clear, your confidence automatically increases. Let's move on to step number 2, which says start with a strong introduction. Remember, first impression matters. Start with a question, a real-life example, a short story, or a picture or object. Now, a question. For example, if your topic is plants, ask, do you have plants at home? This connects prior knowledge with new learning. A real-life example, if you're teaching fractions, connect to real life. Give examples like an apple is cut into 2 equal halves, or give example of cooking, baking, where measurement is used. One spoon, half spoon, 1 cup, half a cup, quarter. So use all these terms and connect students to real life. Then you can go to short story, or you can use a picture or object. You can say, students, look at this. What do you think it is? So thereby critical thinking, logical thinking. So thereby students will be engaged. This is how you can introduce the topic. Moving to step number 3, explain concept clearly. Now, while teaching, use simple language. Give examples. Write keywords or key points on the board. Let your board be the reflection of your teaching. It shouldn't be messy. Let it be clear. Write the key questions or the key words on the board. The diagram should be clear. Everything should be precise and should be clear. And it should be understandable, should be comprehensible, and should be visible to the students. Then use teaching aids. Avoid only reading from the lesson plan. Remember, students learn better when they see, hear, and participate. Step number 4, engage students. That's very important. Effective teaching is not one-way communication. It's not passive. It's active. So engage students by asking questions. Let the students ask questions. Let their critical thinking, logical thinking, let all the skills be developed in the classroom, and this will be developed only when the students are allowed to ask questions. Then comes group discussion, pair activity, give them short worksheet, give them blackboard participation. When students participate, they stay active and interested. Step number 5, for your effective lesson plan, check understanding. After explanation, always check learning. Ask oral questions or conduct a small quiz. Give them multiple choice questions. or give them fill in the blanks or true or false. It can be closed ended also, it can be open ended also. If many students are confused, you can at least re-explain in a simpler way. So this is a feedback for you. This helps you to know that students understand or not, so that you can prepare your lesson plan follow-up section properly. You can go for your follow-up strategies, or you can replan your lesson and find out where to work, what worked well, or what need to improve. Then comes your recapitulation, which is actually the closure of your lesson or your class. Before ending the class, summarize key points. Ask, what did we learn today? Or you may ask, who can explain the main idea? Now this will be again active involvement, where passive is not going, where you are not giving them or you're not summarizing the lesson or the content that you have taught in the classroom. You are actually bringing out from the students. Now recapitulation actually strengthens memory, which is really important after completing your class. And here comes the last step, which says give meaningful homework. Homework should reinforce learning, not be too difficult for the students, and should be related to the lesson. Now you can give 5 examples to write, or you can give them something to draw and label, or solve 3 questions. So all these should be related to the lesson, should be engaging and interesting for the students. Now let me give you the important tips for demo lesson. Maintain eye contact, which is very important. Speak clearly. Use proper gesture. Write neatly on the board. As I explained, it shouldn't be messy, shouldn't be overcrowded, and should be the reflection of your teaching, your personality as a teacher. Manage time properly and show confidence. This was the simple step-by-step guide to teach a lesson plan effectively. If you are preparing for micro-teaching or practical exams, follow these steps and you'll definitely perform well. If this video helped you, please like and share it with your friends. Comment below which topic you want next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube for more lesson plan guidance. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.